Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your character AI online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your character AI on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome over here. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address character.ai and hit on enter. And you can see guys, the character AI is on the first list of Google search results, so let's click on it. And this kind of interface will appear where you'll be able to directly log into your character AI over here by clicking on Google or Apple, or log into your email. Or if you lose this like this, you can just click on the login button at the top left corner of the screen. Click on the login button, the panel will appear into your email address over here with which you had signed up for a character AI account. And after that, click on the continue button over here, and on the next step you will be able to enter your password to your character AI account, and after that you'll be logged into your account. Or you can just simply log into your character AI account with your Google or your Apple account by clicking on either of these buttons. If you click on one of these buttons, a login panel to your Google or Apple email will open, and if you log into your account, you'll be signed into your Google or Apple, and you'll be logged into your character AI from there. And with that being said guys, this is how to log into your character AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.